So essentially this is going to be kind of like the negative of the scrap piece that we used to cut out the first profile of that other floor lamp that we're doing. And instead of wasting this scrap piece of wood, we're gonna go ahead and try to turn this one also into another floor lamp, given the nice profile and shape that it has. So we're gonna go ahead and get this edge routed and flattened, and then we'll go ahead and route the edges and give them a nice fillet kind of rounded edge. So what we're trying to do here is get an exact base for this lamp to stand up, because it's going to be fairly top heavy and just about 6 feet or a little over tall. We want to make sure that the base for this is going to be sturdy enough and the structural integrity will allow it to not fall over. So I'm going to go ahead and head inside and do an Illustrator file, see what we can come up with for perhaps an organic kind of base with a nice, perfectly and precise cut for a wooden inlet.
Hey y'all, we hope you like this design. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment below.